An annual fundraiser for Hamilton General Hospital is back with a twist. This year, it's going to be the Stride for Healthcare Heroes. And Connor Vincent from the Hamilton Health Sciences Foundation joins us this morning with more. Good morning, Connor.
Hi, Annette. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. So this is kind of neat because you've taken so many of our healthcare workers have kind of gone unsung. We see them going into the hospitals, but we don't know exactly the work that they do there. So this is really to celebrate them and to raise money for the equipment that they use at the hospital.
Exactly. So this year specifically, we really wanted to highlight the work that our healthcare heroes have been doing. I mean, they've been under immense stress and they've been working so hard over the last couple of years. We really wanted to highlight and celebrate that. And this year specifically, we're raising money for an ECMO life support machine for Hamilton General Hospital, as well as a spirit bed for St. Peter's Hospital.
Okay, and that really helps with vulnerable patients who are susceptible to falls, right?
Absolutely. So the spirit bed helps with patients that are susceptible to falls, and the ECMO life support machine has actually been a big help to support COVID patients, as it kind of helps support the lungs and the heart of the patient that it's using.
Okay. Now, the walk this year is virtual, and it's not just on one day. It starts on the 17th of this month and runs to the 26th, I believe?
Correct. So we wanted to extend the period that people could participate in this event, just because we know people have different schedules. Some people are working from home, some people are in the office, so we just wanted to be flexible and mindful of that. And they can walk anytime within those days in their own community with their close friends and loved ones and support this great cause. Okay,
and along the way then too, you've got a number of ambassadors for this, and typically the ambassadors for what in other years has been called the Stride for the General. These ambassadors were kind of voted on among their peers from within St. Peter's Hospital, the Rehab Center, and Hamilton General.
Correct. So typically for our events, we have patient ambassadors that have had care within our hospitals. This year, because we rebranded the event to Strides for Healthcare Heroes, we thought it would be appropriate to highlight these amazing, incredible healthcare heroes. So we had a nomination process through their peers and colleagues at Hamilton General Hospital, as well as St. Peter's Hospital. And they were nominated, and they were nominated multiple times, and the stories that we heard were incredible. So they really were chosen by their colleagues because of the amazing work they've been doing over the last 2 years.
Okay, and the amazing overwork that they've been doing, right? We've heard so much about healthcare morale and stuff, and I'm sure that this is a really big boost to the people who, no matter what they're doing in the hospital, are working so hard every day.
Absolutely. So we really wanted to highlight the incredible work they've done, and especially since these people were nominated by their colleagues, they've clearly done an outstanding, over-the-top job of supporting their colleagues, patients, and beyond through this pandemic. And so we hope they feel valued because they have done an incredible job over the last 2 years.
They really have. They really have. So how can our viewers help out then? How can you take part?
Absolutely. So you can register online at hamiltonhealth.ca/strides. You can register as an individual or you can register as a team. It's totally free to register, and fundraising is up to you. Of course, it's always appreciated to raise money for these incredible people and for these hospitals. So you can participate in that way. And we also have a Facebook Live event happening on Saturday, September 18th at 10 a.m. via Facebook Live and YouTube Live through our channels. And you can tune in. It'll be some inspiring stories from our patients, as well as these healthcare hero ambassadors. And Annette as well. She's featured in our Facebook Live event, so we're very excited for that, and we hope you tune in.
I am too, and just getting to know some of the stories of these workers really, really encouraging. Connor, thank you very much, and we'll get more information up on our website, chch.com.
Thank you.